Welcome to Jainam Software. So in this video we are going to see how the guarantee list can work. This is all about that customer can uh, provide guarantor to another customer, and if the customer is applying for loan, so the guarantor can basically participate in the loan approval process. So this is a very special kind of requirement. Let's understand how it can be done in Jainam Software. So here in customer, we can just quickly see how many customers we have created. So one customer is created. Now this customer is created by the owner, business owner actually. Okay, and we are going to create a new customer, and I can set in any group. The new customer is Rahul, and mobile number I can provide 403180993. Okay, I click save. Customer is created. Now I can search customer on file number 2. I click edit, and here I can provide a reference to this customer. So I can provide a reference of Rahul, and the mobile number is 1234567890. Click save. So now you can see that in customer all list I have Rahul, and the guarantor detail for Rahul is not Rahul. I gave a wrong name here. I want to edit the customer. Here reference, this should be Amit, sorry, because the customer name itself is Rahul, so reference is Amit. I click save here. Now in customer and all list I can see here Rahul, guarantor is Amit with this, and Amit is another customer here. Alright, so what I'm going to do now, that I will log in using Rahul. Okay, and okay, but I need to create a login for Rahul in fact, and need to create login for Amit. So let me edit customer here. Login is created because there is no option to create login for Amit here. I go in customer all list, and for Rahul I can go and edit customer and create login. Okay, so login is created for Rahul. Okay, I'm going to sign out and login from Rahul, that is 94, and okay. So Rahul, now important thing is, now Rahul as a customer can see the guarantee list and participate in loan approval, and in fact Rahul as a customer can also apply for loan. I click apply for loan. This is the details that Rahul can see, but one important thing that the business owner can set a product scheme actually. Okay, so let's say 60-month loan, that's 5 years, and rate of interest, let's say 3 monthly interest with principal, 60 month. Okay, I clicked save. Now let's sign out and login from Rahul, apply loan, select product, apply for 10,000. I think will not allow, fail, loan amount is not within the limit. So I'm going to sign out here, login from admin, login, and I search file number 2, that is for Rahul, edit, and here I need to specify the minimum loan amount 5,000, and here maximum loan amount 25,000. I click save. Similarly I can set this for another customer also. I go in income status 5,000, 25,000. I click save. Now I sign out here, and 94, login, apply loan, select product, apply loan for 15,000, accept terms and condition, apply loan. Loan is applied successfully. Remember, the Amit is guarantor for Rahul. I click sign out. I log in from Amit's account. Login. Now Amit can see Rahul's loan. Amit can also apply for loan. Okay. Now Amit is also applying for loan, that is 10,000. Accept terms conditions, apply loan, loan applied. Now Amit can see guarantee list. So Amit has given guarantee to Rahul. So Rahul's guarantor is Amit. A loan approval, Amit can now search loan and basically cannot approve self loan but can approve Rahul's loan. Right? Approve and change status to approved. Okay? Can see the status history. Right? Now if sign out here and now go to admin, login, customer, loan approval and see all. Admin can see both loans. Rahul's loan can be disbursed. Loan is disbursed. And for Amit, loan is approved and can also be disbursed. Right? So this is how it is done. Now if they log in from their system, that is if Amit is seeing, Amit can see the details of loan here and can make a digital payment. And similarly, Rahul can also see Rahul's loan, can make digital payment. Alright, so this is how the system works in Jainam Software. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.